Now, if you're convinced enough that investing in equities is important for your financial independence, let us understand how can you start on this journey with share market. We know that it is always tough to take that first step. You may have a lot of questions like, which stock should I buy? What price should I buy it for to give me good returns? Is it the right time to buy or should I wait a bit? Correct? So let us make it easy for you. Needless to say, the share market has an element of uncertainty, but there are a few relatively safer options for you to start. For instance, you may hop onto our ETF section to find several options. ETFs are like exchange traded mutual funds. An ETF unit represents a larger underlying market. For instance, if you just want to invest into Nifty 50 as a whole, you may invest into Nifty 50 ETF and likewise. If you want an exposure to a particular company's stock, you may start with safer bets in larger companies. You will find a default list of the 5 to 10 largest companies under our Watchlist section. Still want more options? Check out our various collections based on a trending theme or strategy. Collections are like preliminary screeners which have already filtered a few relevant stocks from a universe of over 5,000 stocks. You may want to do further research on these. But no time for research or don't know how to? Try our unique offering, WealthBaskets. These are pre-built baskets of stocks or ETFs curated by our in-house research arm. Comes with no lock-in, no subscription fees and regular rebalancing recommendations. These will help you keep your financial goals on track with an expert help. Now that you have enough options already, why not start from somewhere?
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.